Hi, I'm Lonnie, co-founder of New Media Lab, and I wanted to take a second to welcome you to our online labs. Here you'll find loads of free interactive content on social media, tips, how-tos, and best practices on our blog page. Simply click the blog button above. Also, to your left, we've listed 5 ways to engage our labs both on and offline. And if you're looking for more hands-on learning, simply click the Read More button below to learn about the various lab types that we offer here that bring lab learning to you. Now, if you've watched this video to this point, here's a special bonus. You've just experienced with this video one way to make your online presence multidimensional rather than one-dimensional. Simple, fast, and no to low cost to produce with high impact is what social media can offer your business. We can help you take your existing efforts to the next level with more low-cost, high-impact solutions, beginning with interactive training and a built-in strategy tailored just for you, no matter the size of your business. We invite you to give us a call or look below in the footer for other contact options. And one last thing before you go. If you're on Twitter, follow us at New Media Lab. Bye for now.